Hello, my name is Utasoyo Sayende and this is my project 2 demonstration video. First, I'm going to start the process, then I'm going to stop the process, then start the process, then stop the process. Now, once the e-stop button is pushed, the fault light comes up for 5 seconds. Once it's pushed and released, as you can see, demonstrating the fault. Next, I'm going to demonstrate the fault for the stamp and clear the current fault for the e-stop. Now, once the stamp is lowered and it takes more than enough time to raise back up, the fault light is triggered. So I'm going to start the process, and you can see it picks it up. Notice once it puts it on the weight on the scale, the weight is calculated. And if it's a good part, the PB light and LTB light comes up. Let's watch that again. The weight is calculated. It's a good part. LPB light comes up. Now the stamp took more than 1 second to come up. So that's why the fault light is blinking. It takes more than the required amount of time to set up to go back up. So the fault light is blinking. Notice also the pressure is being calculated here. And once it's calculated, the result is taken back to the screen. As you can see on the HMI, the number of parts being stamped is being recorded. The cycle time is also being recorded. The average weight of all the parts are also being recorded. Now for the maintenance aspect, I've set it to 12 parts to be stamped. Now at 80% of that 12 parts, the service light will come up. That is a service required soon light will come up. That is this gray light here. And once that comes up, the maintenance personnel will be notified about that light. Then next, once it's 100%, the service alert light comes up immediately. And finally, we'll watch that now. To reset all the values here, I just have to click on the reset PB button. That clears the accumulated and it clears all that's been displayed on the screen. Now we are going to see the maintenance. The service required soon light has come up. Now for the next two parts, yes, and now the final part, once it is there, the service alert light will come up, notifying the personnel for maintenance. That's it. Now I can stop all the presentation and clear all the values. Thank you very much.